What is up, my YouTube friends? I hope you're doing well this week. I hope your week's going good. This is a reminder video for questions from the truck for this coming Sunday, May 31st, last day of May. Man, time flies by when you're locked up. Hey, if you have model railroad related questions, or woodworking related questions, put your questions down below in the comments and I will try to get you answers from you, the viewers, or myself, if I can. I thank you for all your questions and thank you for taking the time to answer them. Stay tuned, there's a little train, no, I won't say little train, there's a train after this video. I shot this train last Saturday on my day out. I caught so many trains, just breaking them up throughout the week. Hey, enjoy the train, take care, thanks again. Be blessed, see ya. Just want to do a quick correction. This is QFtT 22. Disregard what I say in the video. Hey, enjoy this train. See ya. This is Q300 22. Florida East Coast.